Okay, take this one like this. Good. Yay! Good job. Good boy. Get the other one. No, oh, good boy. You got it? You finish? Okay, be careful. Like this. Aha. So, take. Put. That's it. Don't put too much. So, we put the onions. No, put this one. Good boy. Good boy. Put this one. There you go. Good job. So, wait. Hold this one. I cannot give you. You're gonna pour everything. Hold. Okay, put it here. There you go. Good boy. And then you stay like this. So we're gonna boil the chicken. That's it. So now you have to put it on the stove, okay? Okay. Cover. Good job. Yay, clap for Bentley. Why? That's it. No too much. We're not putting that much, okay? Bentley. Added curry because we forgot to add it. I am Bentley, so I added curry to give it a nice yellow color. Then stir for some time, and then now it was already even boiling. Then I had to cover the pot and allow it to boil for some minutes. So at one point I opened it, its own water was cooking the gizzard. So we did not add any water there, so we allow it to cook. When the water reduced, I had to add more